solution. This video will cover on the Smart GL feature. All right. To access the Smart GL, all you have to do is to go to GL, Image, and Smart GL. Now, before I proceed, okay, I would like to share with you what is the purpose of the Smart GL. Basically, normal users, okay, people who are not familiar with the accounting entries will find it a challenge to try to do a journal entry or use the payment screen. Some of them will find it very intimidating. So that's why we have come up with the Smart GL to reduce the data entry to make it easy for the users to key in. We do not need to have very in-depth knowledge about accounting nor the GST. So it's very easy to train your staff to use the Smart GL. So I'll start off with the simple one. Okay, elaborating a little bit about the screen. Okay, on the Smart GL, you'll find that this screen is blank. Okay, now normally that will show you some images, but if I want to see the images that was uploaded before, okay, I can select any of them over here, and the images will be presented to me right here, just like this. Okay, so now you can see that. This is a transaction, a petrol claim. Okay, and a claim by one of the staff. Now I want to record this petrol claim for this smart petrol claim. All I have to do is I type petrol, okay, and I will see that this form is presented to me, and I have to select them and press tab, okay, and the information related to the petrol claim will be presented to you. So if you choose a different form, different information will be presented to you. So now I'm using this for petrol claim. I'm going to key in, and I've actually created some index over here, okay, on these images. The reason is that in the future, if you want to retrieve it back, I can easily retrieve it back, right? 17/02 and 05. As you know, that this type of images, thermal paper will fade out, but the writing you write on the piece of paper will not fade out, and you can always retrieve back the image for future reference, okay, in the event that you have been audited. Now, the transaction date that been transacted is basically 14, okay, and 01, all right, and the amount is actually 34, okay, 0.17, okay, and the description is petrol claim. Now this is claimed by, let's say, one of the staff, right, and this is name of the staff. So, and the question here is that, is there a GST? Is there any GST element? There's no GST, therefore you click this on. And then all you have to do is just save. All right. Once you click save, the system will save that transaction. Okay, this claim transaction, and also attach the image to the transaction. Now, assuming that you have a different transaction, okay, assuming you have a different image, entertainment expenses, all right, then what you have to do is just change this screen from entertainment, okay, and you'll see that again, all I have to do is just type, okay, 33, and my transaction date is actually 5th, okay, February, and the amount, okay, I want to claim is basically 96, 25, okay, and I say that this entertainment is basically with staff, okay, and entertainment expenses. Someone who's claiming it, okay. So let's say I choose Jonathan is the one, right? That's it. Now, then I have to check whether there's a tax element. If there's normally there's a tax element, that's why we have defaulted with tax. But if there's no tax, then make sure you check there's no tax element over here. Is the company name printed on this customer name? Is the customer name being printed on this piece of receipt? Chances are it's not. It is not printed. Therefore, you make sure you check this one. Sorry, not printed. So if it's more than $500, then you cannot claim. But then in this case, it's not relevant. So the system will actually handle all the accounting entries for you. All right. And if you look at the accounting entry, this is what it will do. Okay. nothing's been blocked, you can claim the full amount. Okay, so and then NR, right? Entertainment expenses, NR. Okay, this is a staff claim. Okay, NR block. That's because you selected non-chargeable. Okay, uh, you say it's chargeable, then you see that the tax code will change according to TX, right? With GST element in there, 5.45. Okay, so this is what it does. So all they have to do is just save. Okay, but right, the users don't need to know this. Okay, all they have to do is key in all this information and then save it. All right, and the system will post the GST element and handle everything for you. Okay, so this is how you use the smart GL. All right, and if you need any other templates, do let us know. We'll assist you to come up with the templates, and in the next video we also show you how to customize this smart GL for your environment. Okay, thank you.